In this video, we'll be looking at some different file shares that we have running on our domain controller. We'll also look in our ADUC at some different groups and OUs that we have. The different OUs should have corresponding access to the different shares. So for example, the engineering OU should have access to the engineering share. However, there's some different groups in there that will have some different granular permissions within that share. And we followed the same format for our sales OU, accounting OU, and for our MS TAC Administrators OU. And we're going to take a look at this engineering share, and then we're going to look at the different permissions. So if we look at this engineering group, the first file folder here, we see that the engineering group and the managers group both have access to it, but the managers group has more privileges. If we look at this second folder, which is just for the managers group, only the engineer managers group is there. And we're going to move over to some workstations and double check that that's working correctly. On the left over here, we have a regular user in our engineering group. So we're going to go into the engineering share, and we see that we only see the engineering group, which is good. We should be able to access any one of these documents. That's good. And we should not be able to delete them. And that's good. And we can, and we'll just double check the other folder just in case too. On the right, we have a user from our engineering managers group. We're going to go into engineering share. We see both. That's a good sign. We should be able to open these. That's a good sign. And we should be able to open the top secret ones. That's a good sign. We should also be able to create something new, and we're successful.